Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an update on the Maker Video Challenge. Gotcha Games have clarified that it does not matter if the game we are showcasing is completed or not, and English and non-Japanese users can also participate as long as we communicate in Japanese or in English. An icon pack of Pixel Food by Keypenny. A pack of 50 plus tracks of metal music with retro electronic and chiptune elements by Digitix. An MZ plugin that adds a Final Fantasy II style Bestiary by Blue Moon. Next, we have 5 MZ plugins by Cursed Steven, a plugin that adds parameter difference to level up message. A plugin that allows customizing flow damage by terrain tags. A plugin that plays a sound effect on critical hit. A plugin that allows hiding any parameter from the status window. And a plugin for customizing the critical damage value. Next, we have a tileset of Pixel Interiors by Dreamy Pixel Art. And lastly, a tileset of tents and props by Rubber Duck. And that is all for today. Now I'm changing how I make these videos to produce them more efficiently and naturally. I'm going to keep this up for at least the next several videos, and if it is not working out, I will switch back to the older format. So let's see where this goes. Now go back to game making.